Stomach acid is the powerful fluid that can turn against its own lining. Inside your stomach, a powerful acid is constantly produced. It helps break down food. This acid, mainly hydrochloric acid, is strong enough to dissolve many biological materials. Normally, the stomach protects itself with a thick mucus layer coating its inner surface. This barrier keeps the acid from touching the tissue beneath. But when this protection weakens, things begin to change. The acid starts reaching the lining. It irritates the surface. Cells begin to get damaged slowly. With repeated exposure, inflammation develops. The tissue tries to repair itself, but the acid keeps returning. Over time, this constant contact erodes the protective surface, leaving the stomach lining vulnerable and increasingly damaged.